This one is getting a new bedside. Got completely destroyed in this bottom corner. I have the bed of a Chevy Silverado here. This one is getting a new bedside. Got completely destroyed in this bottom corner, as well as this back corner is completely wadded up. And it's also going to get these two wheelhouse sections. And like that. You can see here how that's all folded up as well. This one's all torn up and folded up. And I have the new bedside right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start cutting this bedside off. So I went ahead and I sat this bedside on here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit up these wheelhouses and get them sitting where they're supposed to sit. So I got both of these wheelhouse pieces sitting right where they're supposed to. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run a few sheet metal screws in these into the bed of the truck, and then I'm gonna take everything back off, and I'll use these holes where the sheet metal screws go as alignment points. So when I put these back in place, I'll put these screws in the same holes, and that will make sure that when I put these pieces back on, because they get bonded and welded, when I put them back on, these screws will be my alignment holes to make sure they're sitting right where they're supposed to. So I have this bedside all fit up now. I fit the tailgate and the taillight to make sure all of this lines up good. It is all looking very nice. So I am going to go ahead and take this back apart, and most of this bedside actually gets bonded on. So I will start laying out my adhesive and get this bedside put on permanently. So I'm gonna let the glue dry on this bedside now. I have a heat lamp. I'm moving around to different portions of it to help speed up the process. I am going to dive into my next one, and I'll come back to this a little later.